Hey everyone, Alex here with one of our premium transfers, and I'm going to show you how to press one of these onto a t-shirt. Let's go. Before we press, let's go over the specs on these transfers. To find them, go to Heat Transfers and DTF from the home page, and then go to Screen Printed Heat Transfers. Our premium transfers are made with screen printed plastisol ink, and we print them on transparent film. You can upload designs with up to 3 colors, and they start at $9.98 with our Pro plan per 12 by 18 gang sheet. You can create vibrant, eye-catching designs, and they withstand over 50 washes, so they ensure longevity and quality. And they can be applied on a variety of materials, including cotton, spandex, nylon, mesh, etc. You can find all of our art guidelines on each product page, and you can also find available stock colors as well as pricing for the quantity that you're looking for. Now, without further ado, let's get to pressing. Set your temperature between 285 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the material that you're printing on. Since I'm printing on a 100% cotton t-shirt from our preferred supplier, Supersoft, I'm setting my temperature to 325 degrees. Then you're going to set the pressure to 60 psi on an automatic machine or 8 to 9 heavy pressure on a manual machine, and press for 7 seconds. This is a hot peel transfer, so you can peel it fresh off the press and you're done.